Good morning mga ka-travel, another day, another travel adventure. From Kurs, Switzerland, we travel to another country and welcome to Vaduz, Liechtenstein. One of the smallest country in the world, but is richer than any other country. So Liechtenstein is also a German-speaking country. Their currency is Swiss francs, and they share border with Switzerland. Come. Punta tayo sa border ng Liechtenstein at Switzerland. Ito yung Old Rhine Bridge. Kalahati sa Switzerland, kalahati sa Liechtenstein. Vaduz dito sa left side, then right side is Sebelen, Switzerland. Sebelen. Vaduz city center is on that side. Okay, let's walk inside the bridge. We'll see the border. Bicycle can use this bridge. And ito na yung hatian. Liechtenstein, this is Liechtenstein, and this is Switzerland. Sebelen on the left, Vaduz on the right. Welcome to Switzerland. Can I see your passport? Okay, then you walk back. Welcome to Liechtenstein. Okay. Vaduz, this is the red house. I think here you can take a photo already here. That is the city of Vaduz, Liechtenstein. And hello. Hi. Vaduz Castle, Liechtenstein. Dito pa rin tayo sa Liechtenstein at dito naman tayo ngayon sa Haus Gutenberg. It's a castle on top of the hill. So, bawal pumasok ang sasakyan kaya lalakarin natin paakyat. Let's go! Kaya? Kaya! Haus Gutenberg. No vehicle allowed. Cobblestone, colored cobblestone. Nag-dry na yung mga grapes vines. Grapes vines, ang daming ubasan dito. Mabubuhay uli yan pagdating ng summer. Doon kami nagpark ng sasakyan. Medyo madilim na pero 3:30 pa lang ng hapon. 4:30 madilim na talaga rito. Later dyan na tayo dadaan pababa. Shortcut. Hindi ko lang alam kung may entrance pero ito. What do you think? There's an entrance fee? Not sure also. Kanina ang pronunciation ko is Liechtenstein, yung pala kinorek ako ng anak ko, ang sabi niya Liechtenstein daw ang pronunciation, so it Liechtenstein. Ito yung other part, yung view ng city. Kanina galing tayo doon sa kabilang side ng mountain, yung sa city of Vaduz. Gutenberg. You want to use the shortcut? It's also shortcut. Small. The castle is still there. Oh wow, nice view. And you go up to the castle. Continuous pa rin. Pataas ng pataas. Ayan yung town proper. Yeah, almost there. It's just tiring if I go like this. No? 3:45 p.m. Egon Weinbergweg. Some more. We'll turn, go up, and then we can reach the top of the castle there. Church is there. This is the other side of the castle. Remember, we walk from there, going up there, and then come up here, then we go there. You sit down first. Now we are sitting at the chair. Still maybe 100 meters walk to the castle. This is the view from where we sit from now. If you turn to the right, yan, bundok, snow-capped mountain. The other side, snow-capped mountain na naman. And then ito yung other side ng city, yung church na nag-rang yung bell kanina. And we finally reached the gate. Oh, it's open. Aha, may snake daw, but I cannot understand. The Bieder shuts out Gutenberg. That's the snake. So the castle was built on top of the stone. Hello, tao po kami. Pasok po. Oh, no smoking. This is the entrance, the original wall. Then before got a small window there, but they closed. And this is the wow, there's a view deck from the castle. Let us see. Ayan, tinitingnan mo yung mga commoners sa baba. Yeah, the main entrance is closed, but here is open. Sarado sila ngayon, nag-close sila ng October. Mag-open na naman sila ng March. So summer activities lang. And viewing deck. Liechtenstein. Meow. Shh. Hello. Meow. Bye-bye. 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 Thank you very much for watching mga ka-travel. Don't forget to like, share, at pakipalo na rin ang ating channel. Hope you enjoy our video here in Liechtenstein, and see you again on our next video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.